Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for quite a bit, but hey, we're back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Hims, a men's wellness brand. Now, recently I got contacted by this company. If it's another company with hair growth products that can probably help me, please bring them because I am a little, thinning of the hair loss. I got it all. I'm at the age where this is like a norm, it's a normal thing, losing hair. But today we're going to be talking about the products that came in.
Is it 7 o'clock? Yeah. You got me looking at my watch every minute.
I've had problems with my hair for a very long time. I started losing my hair when I was 25. It's when I started losing my hair and hair started thinning. My forehead wasn't a forehead anymore, it was a 5-head. So I've been trying a couple things and a couple products to kind of help thickening with the hair or bring my old hair back. I've sometimes even considered going for a hair transplant. I don't know about that. I have no idea. It's kind of scary. I've seen the procedure. I've seen the aftermath. Would I consider doing it? Probably. So Hims focuses on primary care, hair, sex, and skin. So in this shampoo, powered by saw palmetto, known to help target DHT, the hormone that contributes to hair loss. Let me tell you a little bit about DHT because I didn't know what that was. DHT is a powerful hormone that can shrink hair follicles and contributes to male pattern hair loss. I suffered with this for so many years and I didn't even know what DHT was. It can reduce the amount of DHT on your scalp, helping your hair appear thicker and healthier, which is something that we're trying to do here because since I told you I've been suffering with this for a really long time, you guys can definitely tell. Here on this side of the wall, my hair looks thicker and fuller, but when I move to the window, you can see how thin it is and how much I've lost. I mean, I have spots that I'm missing. Here, there's a lot of spots. So I am giving this shampoo a month to use. I'm giving the whole hair loss kit a month. I'm going to be using it for a month and see what happens and how it works, if it works for me, and then I'm going to be doing an update video for you guys of how it's going. If you guys are considering using the shampoo, that's what it is right here. I do see Hims at Target sometimes. I'm not sure if I've seen the hair loss kit, but I know I've seen a couple because I've been using Hims since the whole COVID thing happened. Now we are moving to the hair growth treatment here. Like I said, I'm going to be doing an update video for you guys of how it works. I'm going to be using it for a month and show you guys what my hair looks like. This right here is the hair growth treatment and this is the solution in here. With this little thing right here, you grab some of the solution and you put it in your bald spot area. So drop on the affected area and let it dry for 2 to 4 hours. So try to keep your hair away from where you're adding the solution. This is going to be the important thing in the whole hair loss kit that's going to really go beyond and help the growth of your hair. Apply one of these 2 times a day directly into scalp and the hair loss areas. Okay, so the other thing that we got, which because it was sent to me during the summer and it's been hot, and I got the Built Biotin gummies, which it melt. You guys can see that it definitely all melted and it's all clumpy on one side. But that doesn't stop me from using these. It's supposed to be 30 gummies in one, but now it's a whole gummy. These are vitamins for thicker hair, stronger nails, better skin. So these I recommend once a day. So I'm going to be ripping a piece off and eating it once a day. It will definitely help with the regrowth of my hair. Fingers crossed, guys, that this whole hair regrowth kit helps, and I am sure this will definitely help. But I will try it for a month and I will show you guys in an updated video of how my hair will be fuller, hopefully. I am gonna let it grow just a little bit just to get like the full effect. Definitely try it out if you are having problems like me. Since I've read a lot of reviews about this place, I do trust it and I do recommend it to you guys. So I will be making an updated video of how it's been working for me. So once again, a little background on Hims. Hims is about personal wellness. You should look and feel your best at all times. Their job is to make it easy and affordable for you guys. So affordable is definitely a yes for me. I've seen other companies that are about hair and hair regrowth that don't really help sell their stuff for like $80 to $100. Hopefully it's gonna work well, fingers crossed. The end of September, I will be making a new video updating you guys on how Hims has been working for me. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more video about wellness and what I've been using for skincare, hair products, everything like that, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on my social media, it's gonna be down below. Also subscribe to my vlog channel, which I've been vlogging so much these past few days. With that being said, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.